So this is just my hypothetical. But why didn't we keep Ruud van Nistelrooy as the manager? Yeah, yeah, we wanted more uh, technical manager, and we wanted a proven manager, but like Van Nistelrooy took a struggling team and suddenly made them win 4 games in win 3 games in one draw. Okay, so it was just like a short moment that he managed the team, but in that short moment, he took that struggling United side and turned them into a winning team, even if it was just for 4 games. So we went with the more technical manager. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we went with the more technical manager, and look where we are now. I don't hate Ruben Amorim, but I'm starting to doubt him really. I don't want to be one of those guys who says Ruben out, but I'm starting to think someone needs to get blamed. So my hypothetical was just like, why didn't we just keep Van Nistelrooy maybe just for the end of till the end of the season and see how good he would have done? I know there there will come stuff like squad rotation and all that, but keeping would we would have benefited more if we kept him till the end of the season and just like saw how he would have done.